Okay, so 13 plus 22 equals 25. Wait, no, 35. 35.
35, yeah. Hello, everybody. Sorry, we're doing math homework. I just got home, so. It's fractions, so it's serious. He's embarrassed. All right, I'll give people a couple minutes to see if they want. I won't take up much of your time, but I will say Happy New Year to everybody. Hope you had a happy holidays. Happy, healthy holidays and a healthy new year. So, just a couple things I wanted to go over today. The first thing is, it's very exciting. We got a new logo, which I need to change this up here. So the new logo, if you look on our Facebook and Instagram, I've updated that. So it's much prettier. So the other thing is we've also expanded the area that we're working in. So before, if you came to us, basically you would walk in and there was 2 treatment rooms and that was it. So now we've expanded and it's like a real spa. So when you walk in, there's a nice front desk area. There's a waiting room off to the right. And then I have, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4 treatment rooms now. So I am decorating like crazy. I just got some tiling done. I'll get a lot of wallpapering I've got done and building some consoles and stuff like that, but it's coming along. And if you get a chance, come stop by and see it because it's turning out really pretty. I'm really proud of it and I've been working hard on it. So the next thing we have, so this is kind of like a whole New Year's thing, right? So it's a new year and new us. So it's kind of going along with the New Year's. We have the membership options available. So it's $129 a month. You get a discount on all the neurotoxins. So I carry Botox, Dysport, and Xeomin. You get a discount on those per unit. You also get $150 each syringe of filler. And then there are a couple things you get every month for free that you can pick from. So you can pick the IPL photofacial, you can pick an IV treatment. I got a brand new like IV chair that's got a massager in it and everything. It's really nice. And then you get a free B12 injection, a free in-body assessment every month. Will just kind of help you track your body weight along with muscle mass, body fat, BMI, all those things. So that would be helpful for people who are having that New Year's resolution of getting in shape and just getting healthier. And in that respect, some of the specials for January kind of mirror that healthiness. So we're gonna do what is it? So 2 months of semaglutide, which is one of the GLP-1 weight loss injections, and that'll be $400 for the 2 months. Or if you prefer tirzepatide, that's a little bit more expensive. That one's $800 for 2 months. So with each of those, you're saving about $150 in total if you do the 2-month option. The other things we've got going, let me look them up. I don't have them memorized here. So we still have a dermaplane special, which has been excellent. If you're wanting to do that, book that soon because those appointments are booking up very quickly. I think we are into the end of January, beginning of February. So if that's something you want to do, book it as soon as you can. So the dermaplane is $47. I talked about the 2 months semaglutide, the 2 months tirzepatide. We have the hydrodermabrasion facial, which is another kind of exfoliating facial with some suction to it. And that'll help clear out all those pores, all those blackheads, plus get that superficial layer of skin, dead skin off. It collects in a little water bottle. And Michelle, our esthetician, will show you kind of all the crap that has built up on your face that she was able to take off. So it's kind of gross, but it's also kind of cool at the same time to be able to see like actual results. What she did is collected in there. The other thing we're doing in the same respect as a new year and people getting in shape and all that is we have the M Shape Neo, which that machine is something we can put you on. It helps increase muscle mass. It also does about 30% reduction in fat. So you could do it for various areas. Some people will do the backs of the arms or the abs, the quads, the glutes are very common. So basically, what it is, it's a 30-minute session and it's got a radio frequency, and that's what's going to help you burn fat. And then the other thing it does is it uses magnets to help contract the muscles. So it goes through 5-minute cycles where it contracts the muscle, relaxes it, contracts the muscle, relaxes it. And then after 5 minutes, you'll feel like a tapping sensation. So what that is the machine is tapping those muscles to help release that lactic acid. So if you've ever been working out, and you're lifting and you feel that burning, that's lactic acid building up in the muscle. So to prevent that from happening, the machine will kind of tap that muscle and get that lactic acid out so you don't get that burning sensation. And then that process goes on for about 30 minutes. And then, so if you do abs, for instance, it's like 20,000 sit ups in 30 minutes. If you do the glutes or the quads, it's like 20,000 squats in 30 minutes. You will be sore the next day. When you start doing it, we recommend, obviously you're doing it with a eating program, right? Because you can work out all day long, but if you have a 3-inch layer of fat covering those muscles, you're not going to be able to see them. So that RF will help with the fat reduction, but we also need you to kind of do your part with diet, uh, excuse me, with dieting correctly. So, what was I saying? No, I can't remember. So you do it one time a week for 4 weeks, and then after that, you get on a monthly maintenance program. So the special we have for that is the first 5 treatments. So that would be your once weekly treatment for the month each week, and then that 5th treatment, that first monthly maintenance treatment, and you get all of those for $897, and that's a big savings. It's usually like $1,400. So if that's something you're looking to do to help you with your weight loss journey or to help you get in shape, I wouldn't be opposed to people purchasing more than one of those packages. That's always an option, and you can just have those treatments on your record, and whenever you are ready, you can come in and utilize those. We still have Botox 20 units for $179, Dysport first 60 units for $4 a unit. And then I think that's it for the specials. Oh, we have a membership special as well. So if this is something you are looking to do to start taking care of yourself, taking care of your skin, the membership is a good option for you because you're going to save a lot of money. If you're planning to come in for a photo facial every month or a hydrodermabrasion facial every month, and you can use that membership money, which is $129, either towards a treatment or to get one of those for free. Those are usually $250 or $300 treatments, so you're saving a lot of money by doing that membership option. Again, it's you're only saving money if it's something you're gonna do, right? So it's like if you have a Costco membership, you're paying monthly, but you never go, it's just a waste of money. So if it's something you're committed to this year to getting healthy, getting your skin right, and looking and feeling your best, then the membership is the way to go. So we have buy 2 months and get the 3rd month for free. So that's a big savings there. The next big announcement I have is we are getting a microneedling with RF machine. It's called the Pixel 8. So it it's its results, I would say, are better than what everybody's heard. Everybody's heard about Morpheus, right? That's the big microneedling machine that most people have. The thing with Morpheus, though, is it's very painful. Most people will buy a package of 3, which is what's recommended, 3 treatments, 1 treatment a month, 3 times, and then you do, like, a maintenance thing, but what usually ends up happening is that people do that first treatment, it's very painful, and they want their money back for those last 3. So, the Pixel 8 is different in that the radio frequency is delivered specifically to the deep dermis without burning or hurting the superficial layers of the dermis. So the way that the needles are cored focuses that radio frequency deeper into the tissue, so it's not as painful. I mean, we are putting needles in your face, you're going to feel something, but we will numb you, and it is head and shoulders more, way more comfortable than the Morpheus, and you get just as good, if not better, results. So what I would like to do is combine that with PRP or PRF. So I would draw your blood, I would spin that down, I would get the growth factors out of your blood, and we would do that treatment and then put the PRF over that, or an exosome treatment, which we can also provide. But that is going to speed up healing, and that's also going to get those growth factors into your skin after we create those little that little micro trauma into the skin. We could get those good growth factors in there while those kind of holes are still open. You could get that good PRF in there. And then I'll also give you some to take home with you because you can utilize that for the next couple days because it will speed up the healing process exponentially. Additionally, even better results would be if after you did the microneedling with RF, you came to me for the PRP and I injected it deeper into other areas that were wanting to get a little bit more boost, like under the eyes or here or in the neck, just to give a deeper treatment, treat or deliver those growth factors into a deeper level of the dermis or periosteal, something like that to promote collagen growth deeper in the skin. So we'll be getting that hopefully by the end of this week. So look out for some specials with that. And then also we are starting up our bioidentical hormone replacement program. So these are the pellets, the pellet therapy. So they're about the size of a grain of rice. What you would do is you would come in, we would do extensive lab work, probably come back the next week, go over those labs and decide together based on your symptoms and the lab work what kind of dose would be best for you as far as pellets. The pellet insertion is a little bit of a procedure. It's very comfortable. You may not even feel it. You will feel like the numbing medication because I will numb you up. Those pellets are inserted into a subcutaneous area. Usually people do like the upper glute area where there's, kind of a little bit more fat for those pellets to be inserted. And we insert those pellets and then we monitor your lab work for the next. We do another lab 6 weeks. We do another lab at 3 months, which probably you'll get a new pellet insertion. It depends. Sometimes people get 4 to 6 months out of the pellets. I would say typically it's more like 3 to 5 months. So men, especially very thin, high metabolizing men, will metabolize those much faster. And so typically they'll need it every 3 months. Women is more every like 4 to 5. And that is something that we'll just monitor with your lab work and also how you're feeling. That's important. So if you're feeling tired, if you're feeling sluggish, if you have brain fog or you've got joint pain or all this stuff, we're going to take that into account when I'm looking at your labs as far as what pellets to give you and in what dosage. So all that is happening. So if you guys have any questions, feel free to let me know. I'll be happy to answer them. Let me check Facebook here. Hi, Lydia's here. How's Paul? Hi, Rachel. Happy New Year. Rachel, are you talking about... So Rachel's question is, Is that a package or just one session? So let me kind of clarify from her. Which one were you talking about? I apologize. I didn't have the comments up, so I wasn't able to see when you posted that. Oh, the microneedling with RF. So we'll have different options. So you can do just one session. I would prefer you do three, which would be once a month for 3 months. So that would be a package option. I haven't quite figured out the costs on that. I guess I should have known that before I got on Facebook to talk to you guys about it. But I would venture a guess to say it's somewhere in the realm of, $500 a treatment, $600 a treatment. And then obviously if you buy a package of three, you'll get a pretty good discount with that. So hopefully that answers your question. But I'm really excited about it. I really think we're going to get some good results from it. I can't wait to use it on myself, on my stomach for having children, the excess skin I have. I'm really looking forward to tightening that up with that machine. So I'm super excited about it. All right. Anybody else have any questions? All right. If that's it, I'm going to write everybody down. We'll have William come over and pick a winner. TDA 69. Healing Body Mind. Liam, and come pick a winner. Oh, he's busy. He's playing a game. All right. So. Mm-hmm. Oh, good choice. So our winner is Rachel. So what should we give Rachel? Let's see. You know what, Rachel? I'm feeling generous in the holiday spirit. Let's do, if you're interested in doing the microneedling with RF, let's do one treatment for free. If you like, which you will, I think. I think you would enjoy it. So, Rachel, feel free to call me. Call me towards the end of this week because we're getting it sometime this week. But you can call me and we'll set that up for you. And we'll do one free treatment and we'll do it with a PRF too. And you can do it either way. You can do it we can do it just where you take the PRF home or to help with healing, or you can do it where I inject it as well. I'll leave that up to you. So with that said, anybody have any other questions? If not, I will let you all get back to your Monday and then we will finish homework and have dinner at some point. So I look forward to seeing you guys at our expansion place. Just stop by and come see it. I'm still working on it, so it's a work in progress, but it's a really great space. I'm super excited about it. We have an actual front desk, and we're gonna get an actual front desk person to help me out. So it's gonna be things are getting better and getting good. So come by and see us. We're at 702 Southwest Port St. Lucie Boulevard, which is on Port St. Lucie Boulevard between Gatlin and the Turnpike. Or feel free to give us a call. And we're at 772-207-0080. And if you're not already, then you can follow us on Facebook and Instagram. I also have a TikTok, but I don't know how to use that thing. So I'm like 80 years old, so I don't know how to use it. I try and post on there when I can, but it's super confusing to me. So I do have a TikTok, but I'm not very good at that one, or maintaining that one. So, with that being said, you guys have a good night, and I will see you guys soon. Bye.